Before I create the controller, I will create model very quickly. The model is used for communication with the database. The rule is that we create one model for one table in the database. Also, the rule is that the model is in the singular and the table name in the plural. Such convention will cause that we do not need to configure the model and inform it which table is used. What would happen if we did not apply this convention? We would have to type public property called table and assign to it the name of our actual database table. So, I am going to create a model now through the following command. Task is the name of the model. Model was created in app folder. The user model was created by default during the installation of Laravel. However, we must declare in our model a public property called timestamps and assign to it the false value, because Laravel by default requires from us to make all tables in the database contain columns like created at and updated at, which are intended to be used when we create or update record in the database. That can be seen, for example, on the default users table. So, in order not to have any errors, we have to inform Laravel we have no any columns like those. So I have to type public timestamps and assign false to it. What more am I going to have in our model? When we click on the task, we will switch the status to completed or not completed. So I will say public function, and I'm gonna name it toggle status. And in the model, we can refer to the table columns by writing this and column name. In order to switch status, we write the opposite value to this status by a sign of negation. And each time you click a task, this method is gonna be executed. And in the end, I return the entire task model. In the next lesson, we will create a controller. It is gonna be to-do controller.